How to set post as profile picture on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click hub and click on your profile here and then click on your post and then click the 3 points and here we'll find this one, set as profile picture. Now just click on it and that's it. Now click continue. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.